and you can go anywhere. You can go all the way up to 20 psi on just that model. So as long as you take the other modifications, Pro Chargers are very. I did my research and they're just very compatible with Hemis, and I just like them. You just change the oil with them with every oil change of your car, man. It's awesome. They're self-contained units. They're not, you know, it was either that or turbos, and I decided to go with that.
Got that done. Diffuser. I need my. Got a diffuser.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yep.
Sounds sick.
But no, I stay with the stock throttle body for now. Yeah. You know, when I really start pumping that boost up and.
That's crazy. That's insane, man. What? Whoa. That's so cool. I got you.
All right, guys.
See you
later.
Yeah, I'll probably head out too.
Watch this thing start up.
What?
Oh, yeah,
This thing's loud.
Oh.
It's so loud. It did one. I was gonna say, if he do something, I'll be so happy. He's probably gonna take off if anything. Like hit the gas. That thing sounds so good. Yeah. That thing sounds so good. And it's supercharged. Jesus. That thing loud. Alright, man, drive safe. Oh, his tag say the boat.
Yeah, I saw that.
The boat. I like that. I gotta hear him take off too. Iffy, I hope he do something.
Kind of like Papa's car?
Yeah, it's the older one though.
Is it the same one?
300 Costa, yeah. It's just the older one. His is a good model too. You hit her like the high sound and stuff. Yeah, see your papa ain't got that now.
No.
Yeah, your papa.
Papa don't got that.
Alright. Well, yo, hold this for a second.
Alright.
Hold on for a minute. Well, yeah, you can walk if you want to. Yo, well, shout out to the people, the 3 people that came to my meet. I thank you guys for coming. It was better than none, but hey, it is what it is. I'm still gonna upload this video. Positive vibes only. Like, comment, subscribe.
Peace.
I don't know, they probably can't even see you. Say it again.
Peace.